Today, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in Adspower Anti-Detect browser. A proxy lets each browser profile use a different IP address. This can be useful when you manage multiple accounts, test websites from different locations, or keep separate browser environments organized. First, open Adspower on your computer. From the main dashboard, click New Profile if you want to create a new browser profile. If you already have a profile, find it in the list and click Edit. Now look for the Proxy section. Adspower usually gives you several proxy options, such as HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS5, or SSH, depending on your provider. Choose the proxy type that matches the proxy details you received. Next, enter the proxy information. In the host or IP field, paste the proxy server address. In the port field, enter the proxy port number. If your proxy requires login details, enter the username and password in the correct fields. Make sure there are no extra spaces when copying the details. After entering the proxy, click Check Proxy or Test Proxy. Adspower will test the connection and show whether the proxy is working. If the test fails, double-check the proxy type, IP address, port, username, and password. Also make sure your proxy subscription is active. Once the proxy test is successful, save the profile. Now launch the browser profile. To confirm everything is working, open an IP checking website inside that profile. If the displayed IP address matches your proxy location, the setup is complete, and that's it. You've successfully set up a proxy in Adspower Anti-Detect browser. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.